Visions EMR comes with many reports that give you access to data pertaining to your practice. In this tutorial, we'll go through some of those reports. So to get to the Reports module in Visions, simply click on the top main menu bar where it says Reports, and that'll bring you to this screen here. And as you can see, we have a number of reports. Some of them actually open to more than one type of report. So for example, if we click on Financial, you'll see that there are actually a number of financial type reports available in the submenu here. So let's look at a daily report. This would be something that you print on a daily basis at the end of the day to see what happened financially in your practice that day. So we're going to just leave it ticked right next to daily, and we're going to click on Create Report. We're going to select a date that we want and click OK. Okay, you can see here the financial report for Wednesday, October 23rd. This is an actual live report. I've had to blank out the names, but you can see that the report is at the top here 3 pages long, and as we scroll through, they are categorized into what types of visits or what type of transaction it was. So BL for us means balance, meaning that we patient paid a balance or an insurance company paid a balance. You can see that there were 59 balances paid on that day. GE for us means general exam. You can define these little codes yourself, but for our office means general exam, and OV means office visit. And on the bottom, you'll see the total encounters for the day and some total numbers. If we move on to the last page of this report, you'll see some calculations here: total billed, write-offs, tax, etc. Now, if you want to print this report or save this report, you simply select a format, either Microsoft Excel or PDF file, export it to your computer, and then you can print it and save it. There are other financial reports here. Aged report, you can it's the same type of report indicating financial transactions for your practice, but with this report you can specify the date range. So you can do this on a weekly basis, monthly, quarterly, yearly, whatever time period, time span that you feel is appropriate. Balances is your outstanding balances or your accounts receivable report. You can do an accounts receivable by payer. So if you have a number of insurance companies, this will categorize them by insurance companies. So you'll be able to see which insurance companies owe you, still owe money or needs to be collected. So let's select a date range here. And we're going to say Aetna and create this report. Okay. Again, I'm going to have to blank out the names here, but you'll see that this categorizes by day the amounts owed from Aetna for which patients. And of course, we end up with a staff sales report. So that just demonstrates the financial reports that are available to you. Now you can get to other reports. You can either go back to the main menu, or you can jump to a different type of report simply by clicking here. So let's look at contact lens order report. This particular report is something your staff would pull up, your technician would pull up to see which contact lenses need to be ordered and whether it's a supply or a trial lens that needs to be ordered. Patient's name would be here, the type of lens is over here, and the actual prescription is listed there. Another report that I find very useful is your doctor productivity report. And basically this, if you have more than one doctor in the office, this will let you know this will let you know how they are producing. So you'll see the doctor's name, you'll see the date, and the total numbers for that date. A number of other reports are available too. Practice analysis report, which gives you an idea of where your money's coming from in the practice. So if you recently bought a new, let's say, retinal camera or anterior segment camera or something to that nature, you'll be able to see if that instrument is producing enough income to support it. So you'll see a number of different categories here, how many you did, the percentage of the total, number of dollars, and things like that. And of course, there's your recalls, which is a mainstay for most of us. You can do labels, you can do reports, and you can send emails for your recalls. There's a number of other reports here that, as I said, give you an idea of where your practice is at and what your practice is doing in particular situations.